Good morning, guys, and welcome to Kitchen Magic with Brandy. I am not going to be getting on camera today because I am still in my pajamas. But I just wanted to record this quick video because if you're like me and you cook bacon in a pan, it never seems to quite come out right. You know, the centers are completely cooked, the edges are still kind of raw. But when you go to restaurants, it always comes out so perfect. This is the trick. You put your bacon on a cookie sheet. All right. Throw it in your oven on 375 until it's done, and you will have that beautiful, crisp, cooked all the way through end to end bacon. Now, for my family, we like to do like those little frozen hash browns stick fingers, and I like to line them up on the edge of the bacon pan because then they kind of fry in that bacon grease, which everything's better with bacon. So I just wanted to record a real quick video for y'all for what we're doing for breakfast, and I will show you the end results when it's done. Okay, guys, so we're just going to fry eggs this morning for everybody. I know some people are afraid of fried eggs. They really aren't that hard. The main trick with fried eggs is actually getting your pan the right temperature. Okay. Let's see, my pan's sitting crooked. There we go. If you have your pan too high, your eggs start cooking too fast, and then those edges get all kind of hard and crusty and grossy, and you don't like that so much. You just want it kind of on a medium heat. I know it seems like a huge pan, but 2 eggs per person means 10 eggs is breakfast in my household, so. 9 and 10. And now we just gotta let them do their thing. I will turn it back. All right, guys, I just pulled it out of the oven, and look at how beautifully crisp that bacon is end to end. And see those little hash browns down there fried in that bacon grease? Yum, yum. All right, guys, here's breakfast. Add a little pepper to your eggs. I hope you enjoy. And look at that beautiful yolk. You have a good morning.